Increasing the video resolution will not improve the video quality accordingly. In most cases, only the size will be increased. Therefore, the higher the video resolution, the more blurry the video will look. Wondering how to improve video quality after changing the video resolution? Today, we're going to share with you a helpful video enhancer and show how to use it to increase video resolution. Meanwhile, how to make the video quality better. Get it in the video subscription section below, and let's dive into the tutorial right now. Launch VideoSolo Video Converter Ultimate on your computer and click the Toolbox tab at the top menu. As you can see, there are various video editing tools for you to choose from, and now, let's move to the Video Enhancer, and click the plus button to add the video that you're desired to enhance the quality. After loading the video, you can see several options to enhance video quality. Upscale resolution for a superb video quality when increasing the video resolution. Optimize brightness and contrast to make your video more enjoyable. Remove video noise for cleaner audio without background noise. And reduce video shaking function for stabilizing a shaky video. Just choose the one you need and tick the checkbox in the upper left corner. Also, you can select all the options to get a completely high-quality video. On the bottom, you can choose the output video format and change the original video resolution as well. When all the settings are done, click the preview button to view the video before outputting it. Finally, click the Enhance to generate a new video with higher video resolution. That's it. If this video helps, don't hesitate to give it a like or leave your comment below. See you next time.